MnM Outdoors kicking off 2015 with some rabbit hunting. We got the whole crew today. Trent substituting in for Tyler.
Same family, so it counts.
Looking to put some on the ground. Hang on. Yeah, he didn't come out. He might have gone in the hole. Hang on. There he is. Got him. Down. Yeah.
Well, bring it here. I'll put it in my pocket.
Little one?
Yeah.
Coyote tracks?
Yeah, there's one around here.
Oh yeah. Big tracks. Go. Nope, you missed. Took that pine tree off. Yeah. Concluded our first hunt this morning. 2 rabbits down. We missed one. I think we're gonna go out a little bit later today. Theodore's a little trigger happy. He didn't get one. Oh, there's one. Huh? Oh, yep. There.
Will trail cams pick up a coyote?
Yeah.
What you gotta start doing is leaving their
Find where they're at, yeah. Their pattern. What time they're coming through. There's one. Yep. Where?
Back here.
Scruffy, where are you at? Huh? Oh, yep. Where? Where at? Still in there? Did ya? Atta boy. Rabbit down.
yeah. But I seen him up there, and he came running out here. When I ran after him, I didn't see him go out here. Oh, you got a couple. Nice. Keep you warm.
God. Look, you can tell where they took it down, probably right here.
Yeah, this one here, so I walked through here last time. You seen those butt bucking out? Still.
Oh, it's a little button buck.
Is it?
I don't know when it's a burr in his head. Big old doe. They are tearing up around here. Yeah. Tell that's probably where they took it down and thrashed all the way.
That's a big deer.
That's a big doe. Jeez. Look the way they eat it, right to the frickin' bone. Nothing left.
Yeah, I wonder if they're teaming up, like two. Both.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Take it down their track.
That's when I kicked one out of. That's when I kicked one out of last time. He's rolled up right under that tree. Yeah. That GoPro thing don't help, does it? I was like, all right, he's got him. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know if he's dead yet, though.
Okay, it's hard to see.
I shot twice.
I thought Ty for sure had him. There he is, piled up.
Who got him?
I think a lot of everybody. that third shot, when I shot it, everybody pulled.
That last one.
Yeah.
Fuck,
That same.
come out of that?
That same rabbit from last time.
Like a hooligan with a gun.
Oh yes. Kind of takes your sight out.
Very good moment.
Got him. He's down. He is. Yep. Got him. Third shot, got him.
Where'd Tyler go? Go!
I was gonna say, hopefully not in that direction.
You're missing all the action. Nothing.
I got one round left. Woo! Blew the GoPro back a little bit.
Turned out to be a pretty good day.
Yeah. Yeah. I got one round left. Fuck.
Oh, now I can just feel them crawling all over me, even though they ain't.
I love this.
Everywhere in this freaking thing.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh,
Coming all off.
yeah.
I just gotta be crawling with them.
Leave that outside.
Yeah, leave it outside for a while, then we'll leave and then just wash it.
Yeah. No, man.
I got a long day, man.